You're watching Zero the Painter. Please click like and subscribe.
Welcome back. Today Zero is painting the legendary Heath Ledger in his iconic role as the Joker. While he paints, let's do a top 5 reasons Heath Ledger's portrayal of the Joker in The Dark Knight is widely considered exceptional. Starting at number 5, Ledger famously dedicated himself to the role, even isolating himself in a hotel room for a month to develop the character's strange voice, mannerisms, and worldview, showcasing intense dedication and meticulous research. Number 4, Ledger's Joker was a departure from previous portrayals, offering a more intelligent, ruthless, and psychologically disturbing take on the character that leaned into darker comic inspirations like The Killing Joke. He was presented as a force of pure chaos and anarchy rather than just a criminal with a grudge. Number 3, this Joker's plans were meticulously calculated and diabolical, often demonstrating a profound understanding of human nature and a desire to expose the vulnerabilities of Gotham's citizens and institutions. He excelled at creating impossible choices for Batman and the police, forcing them into moral dilemmas. Number 2, Ledger brought a chilling authenticity to the character through his improvisations, such as his signature lip-licking, tongue-wagging, and unsettling laugh, which added a layer of unpredictable menace and dark humor. The number 1 reason is because Ledger's Joker felt less like a traditional comic book villain and more like a real-world terrorist or a force of nature. His ability to inspire fear through both grand schemes and subtle interactions made him a truly formidable and terrifying antagonist for Batman. There you go, 5 reasons Heath Ledger's Joker was the best so far. If you liked this video, you know what to do.